Hey guys, Angela here with Beauty Social Breakthrough, and I'm super excited to bring to you guys this super important and this super important topic. Wow, can't talk today about how to increase your retention, referrals, and your reviews without having to do a ton of legwork. So if you guys are on here, feel free to say hello here in the comments below. I see Victoria, Lucy, and Logan on. So I so appreciate you guys joining today. If you guys are watching the replay, feel free to comment and tell me when you jump on. But today, let's get right into this topic because I know these are all business building tools for you guys. And if you are currently doing a ton of manual legwork to make all of this happen, you know it is killer with your time and your energy. And a lot of times you're spending all this time trying to increase these metrics when you could be seeing another client. So if you are trying to increase your retention by maybe when a new client or when a client comes to see you, but you haven't seen them for an appointment in a while, you're having to send like a personal text message or email to try and get them back on your books. You know this requires your energy to do all this. Or maybe your referrals, you are trying to track your incentives by hand. So maybe one of your clients refers their friend and they each get $20 off, and you're trying to track all this in your system by hand. And the more clients you get, the more convoluted and complex this gets. And again, it requires energy and time on your part. Or maybe you have a loyalty system and you are doing all of this by hand. You guys are crazy, right? So you are trying to write out all of the points, and maybe they have some type of card that you keep track, or like a stamp card, or maybe even like a third-party app where you're paying for this app and it's just another freaking tool that you have to use in order to make all this work for you. Or maybe your reviews, you guys are asking people, you're sending them personalized messages after their visit saying, hey, do you mind leaving me a review? Again, this is so time consuming, and there's so many other things that you could be working on in your business. So here's the good news. I'm going to share with you guys this technology that does all of this for you automated. So it's going to be a game changer, and I am like so blessed to have found this company. So it's called RetentionForce, and all of this is done through Facebook Messenger. So your guys' clients are on Facebook, you're on Facebook clearly, and most people have Messenger. If they don't, they can simply download it. It's free, and it's like a super common tool that people are using to communicate with each other nowadays. So how it works is basically this all-in-one marketing system where it interacts automatically. Like, it's not you sitting there having to send out all of these like follow-up messages, if you will, through Facebook Messenger. So it tracks, depending on, it kind of learns your client and your services, and you can set certain rules, and you can customize this, and you can brand it with all your colors, your logos, special gifts. You can really make it animated if you want, and it helps you to do all this. So basically, like, if you've been seeing a client for, I don't know, like a year now, and they've never left you a review, this system will then send out a message to your client maybe a day after their appointment and say, hey, how was your experience? They can click like on a smiley face or sad face. If it's a smiley face, so it's a positive experience, it's then going to ask them to leave a review on the most important platforms like Google, Facebook, or Yelp. If it's negative, it has a filtering system where it's then going to ask them to leave their feedback in an internal survey, and it's an opportunity for you guys to learn, okay, what could I have done better? But here's the kicker. It's not posting it on these public sites, and you're not getting blasted on Google or Facebook or Yelp. So that's just one way, and that's going to help with your reviews. As far as your retention, it's going to email lapsed clients that you haven't seen in a while automatically. You can set the parameters of how often you want them to get this message. Maybe it's like, hey, I missed you. Hope everything's been well. Book an appointment soon. And it gives them the link to your online booking site. It's also going to, you guys can create your own loyalty system within this. So what I mean by that is you can kind of create these, I don't want to call them like memberships, but you can create like this tier system, if you will. And so like a certain dollar amount, maybe it's like the silver level, and then the next one's gold, and the next one's platinum, titanium, or whatever. And they get rewarded based off of how much they spend. And again, you guys can pick your dollar amounts. And then they're automatically sent these rewards that they can redeem, and you're not having to go in there and track all this by hand or manually, or use a third-party site that could be really expensive. So this is so helpful because it, again, is going to help you retain and create some loyalty with the clients that you have. As far as the referrals go, it will automatically, so you think of like the new client coupon or discounts or incentives that you're sending out now. Maybe it's like a physical card, give $20 to your friend, you get $20 off when they come see me for their first visit. So basically it does the same thing, but all through this automated system. It's so helpful, you guys. I promise you it is going to change your life. And you'll want to stay. I'm almost done, but at the end here, I'm going to share a special promotion for you guys that are listening to this that is going to give you a discount. You can also send birthday messages, congratulation messages, if they've reached like a new milestone or achievement or something. So you guys know I'm all about the customer experience. And so if you can make this personalized with it also being automated, you guys, this is like a game changer. And this software was built specifically for Salon. So this is for you guys. You have to jump on board and utilize this. What else? Again, you can refer friends, get rewards, get more positive reviews. Also, I want to let you know this statistic that is like mind-boggling to me. So basically this is like, if you guys are familiar with email marketing, this is like, it has the same capabilities as email marketing. But as you guys know, emails get lost, people don't open them. If you're using some type of like email system, maybe from your online booking site now, the success rate of people actually opening your emails and taking action is only 16%. Facebook Messenger, all these same capabilities, 96%. You guys, this is like a personalized way to reach your clients. Almost think of it like a text message. You know how you're a lot more likely to like open a text message than an email? This is basically email marketing through Facebook Messenger on a personal basis that makes it feel like it's a text message. So the effectiveness of this is really, really good. Is there any questions so far? I see quite a few people have jumped on. So do you guys feel like this would be helpful to you guys? Okay, so here's the special offer. If you use discount code BREAKTHROUGH, and that's spelled all the way out exactly how it sounds, and it's all capital letters. So I'll put that in the comments here. So use code BREAKTHROUGH, and you get, make sure I spelled that right, 20% off for your first 3 months. And your first month is completely free. So basically you're getting 1 month free, and then the next 3 for you to try it out. And then the next 3 months after that, you're getting 20% off. And you guys, if you are, whether you're a solo independent person or you're a salon team and you have multiple people, there's different levels of software package pricing for you, but it's like super, super affordable. I'm talking like if you're a solo person, I think it's like under $75, and then you get the discount code on top of it. It's gonna be a game changer, you guys. Is there any questions so far? I don't think I've seen any submitted. Let me know if this is gonna be helpful. I'll link the actual website on here. It's called RetentionForce.com. And I'm really excited to found this company and partnered with them because I think this is a marketing tool that is going to help you guys big time. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, Angela here with Beauty Social Breakthrough, and love you all. Happy Beauty Social Breakthrough.